Oh, hello. Let's break a world record over here. Just like all of the other days. Exactly how nature provides it. Quite delicious. Melts in your mouth. Very easy to digest. Try it out. One of the most hated foods. One of those foods that people get super triggered when they see you eating it. Understandably. We have to be the most brainwashed people that there are. Maybe not. Who knows about the history? There's always been brainwashed people. Maybe that's the yin and yang of the matrix. If this is a simulation, certain setting in the simulation has to be that certain percentage of human beings have to be NPCs. Otherwise, the simulation would get too heavy. It would take too much computing power. If everybody were geniuses. Now what really complements the raw chicken is some raw fat from a cow. My work is not finished until we have buffets of raw chicken, rounded pie, cow fat. Delicious yellow cow fat. For real, one of the most underrated foods. Because again, people are programmed to be afraid of the saturated fat kind. People are afraid, programmed to be afraid of the cholesterol. Funny how that works. I thought all of your cells are made out of cholesterol. And cholesterol is one of the most powerful antioxidants inside of your little human vessel. that physical body you live in. That has been my world record breaking raw chicken and beef fat snack before my dinner. Raw chicken, perfect for a little snack. Snack. Perfect for a real meal. You can take it on the go. You don't have to food prep, except if you have to kill the chicken, pluck the chicken, skin the chicken. Anyways, that's been Based Science today. Stay based, my brothers and sisters. It's getting dark here.